Lovelace here and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I am good actually, and in this video we are gonna do a little like try on unboxing haul video, and you guys might not be so surprised it's actually gonna be the type of video, but I actually was shopping a little bit, well, quite a little bit. So what you guys can say is actually a huge package here from KILLSTAR. So actually I was shopping quite a lot. Not that good, but yeah, at KILLSTAR's Halloween sale, and this is what I got from them. So it was a sale, and actually the Halloween sale was pretty nice. But I know now they're gonna have an even better sale for the Black Friday. So you should definitely check the Black Friday sale out, because I think you're gonna find even better deals than I did. So let's open this and see what is in here, and we're also gonna try it on. I am very excited to see what is hiding in this quite big package. So let's open it. So let's see what we have here. And you see there is quite a lot of things here. So wow, this is cheap stuff, so which makes this even more better. So yay! So we are gonna look what is in here and open it and try it on. So let's look at the first item. This just makes me happy to see this. So I feel like I have those. I love those type of sweaters. So let's open it and see here. So here we have, it's a sweater, and look at those. Let's see here. Look at those colors. Is green and black, and this is gonna match my hair so good. It's nice. It feels very soft. Love the colors. I just had to get this one because it's gonna match my hair. So I just had to, even if I had those in all other colors. So yeah. So let's move on to the next item. And here we have quite a huge bag for this little thing. So let's open this. And this one was actually a choker, as you guys can see. Looks like this. And this one was actually kind of like the deal I was most happy with, because for the Halloween sale I think I remember what I paid for this. It's like $6-7 I think I paid for this choker, and look, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's really I think worth the price. Quite nice though. And here we have, I did this order kind of like a long time ago. It was a few weeks ago now, since it was Halloween. It's almost a month ago. So I kind of forgot what I ordered. So it's gonna be like, this feels like Christmas when you forgot what you ordered. I kind of like that feeling, because then it feels like surprise. So that is pretty cool. This one I also think I did a very good deal. It was like maybe like $4 or something, and it's actually a little like cute. Now I can't really wear it good, but it's gonna feel so nice in the winter. Cover my ears, and you know it's cold in Sweden, so this one is gonna, and you can wear it without destroying your hair. So, and the price was so nice. So it's totally it's kind of cute. It has small ears here, and it's gonna be very good for the cold winter and wind too. It's like a little earmuff, I think you say earmuff, yeah. So, we're gonna see what we have here. It's like so weird when you have forgot what you ordered. So let's open this. So what we have here? Oh, I totally forgot I ordered those too. So these ones are, I have just looking at those for a long time, and you guys might understand why. Those are so freaking nice. Look at the vinyl. And this lace here, the lace details. So nice. It's like, let me see and look at this one too. Look at the little cross detail on the zipper. And the vinyl, kind of like vinyl leggings, pants-ish. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Nice, nice, nice. I can't wait to try them on later. Yay. So, there. Yeah. And this one, it was just, this was some stockings I ordered. It's like lace, just regular like lace stockings. And I think I paid like $2 or something for those. But I mostly ordered it because I was so like close to get free shipping. Because for free shipping you need to order, I think it's £450 to get like free international shipping. So I just ordered those just to get the free shipping, because I didn't want to pay for shipping when I was so close. So yeah, they well, it's just regular like kind of like lace stockings. I don't know if I'm gonna bother to open those right now. So yeah, okay, so we have one thing left here, and this one is quite the best thing, and this was why I made this order. So yeah, so let's open this. So as you guys can see, this is a pair of shoes, of course. The box is a shoe box, so of course there has to be a pair of shoes. So let's open this one, and ooh, you see something shiny, and I see also something shiny here. Can you guys guess what pair of shoes this is? And look at those! They look so nice. Wow. So gorgeous. Wow. I remember when I saw those boots. That was last year, where I still was living in LA, and I really wanted them, but I was like, I'm not gonna be able to. This is gonna be a little bit warm for the LA climate. But I was thinking, when I go back to Sweden, or if I go back to Sweden during the winter, I have to get those. Because what is better than moon boots in vinyl with a bat? It's like, did KILLSTAR read my mind or something? I don't know. But this is crazy. They are just so freaking gorgeous. And that they designed a shoes like boots that actually can wear nice in the winter and be. I just hope that are warm too. I'm gonna try them out, but I just love them. And yeah, and to be able to wear like comfortable shoes when it's like cold and slippery, it's like I still feel pretty. That's like the best. So yeah, I'm gonna try them on, of course, later. So yeah, this was everything. So just hang on in this video and we are gonna try everything on. So this might be KILLSTAR'S weirdest outfit ever. I don't know. Well, look at this. I don't know. This looks like I'm gonna go out and skiing or something, but I think those pieces are quite nice though. Those pants. I don't know if it works good to go on a moon boots maybe. So yeah. And this is the top, and as I was saying, I think it works quite awesome to my hair, but I don't know how this outfit works good together. Maybe not. So this is sweater and pants. Pretty nice, so shiny, nice pants and boots. So yeah, this is gonna be so cozy for the winter. So cozy and nice. Yeah. So it's gonna be so cozy when it's cold in the winter. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did so, you should definitely give it a thumbs up and give a comment in the comment section. So, and of course subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!